In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Drive theme all in under 5 minutes. Changing the appearance of Google Drive can make your workflow more visually appealing and can even help reduce eye strain when you're working late. So let's dive right in and transform the visual feel of your Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the main page of your drive, where you can see all your folders and files neatly organized. Now what you need to do next is head over to the top right corner of your screen. That's where the settings icon is located. It looks like a little gear. Clicking on this gear icon will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on the settings option, which will take you to the settings page of Google Drive. Once you're on the settings page, you'll see various categories on the left side panel. The one you're interested in is appearance. Click on appearance to open up different theme settings you can choose from. The default theme typically is light, but we can change that. Here you have a couple of choices. If you're someone who prefers a darker theme because it's easier on the eyes, especially in low light settings, you can click on dark. This will immediately change the background of your Google Drive to a darker shade, making it easier to work in environments with less light, while also giving a sleek, modern look. Alternatively, if you want your Google Drive theme to match your device's default theme, you can choose the device default option. This means that if your computer is set to a dark theme, so will Google Drive, and it will revert to light if your device is set to a light theme. It's a convenient option for those who switch their device themes based on the time of day or environment. Remember, these changes are not permanent and can be adjusted anytime by revisiting the settings page. So don't worry about experimenting with the options until you find the one that's most comfortable for your day-to-day use. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you have now successfully changed the theme of your Google Drive. Hopefully this new look makes your experience more enjoyable and helps you stay focused. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring new ways to personalize your tools for maximum productivity.